FineMEP includes all the tools you need to perform the necessary calculations and generate automatically the entire set of the elevator drawings, along with the bill of materials, technical specifications and other documentation. You just need to insert the basic project data, and the software will do the rest. It is crucial that calculations are performed following the latest standards EN 8120 and EN 8150, as well as the SIDS 2010 traffic analysis. The close interaction of our calculation module with the BIM model will help you to generate the project drawings directly from the project data. FineMEP will simply read the project data in order to proceed to the necessary calculations. Finally, the drawings are generated and updated with all the results.